Hey class, in today's lesson we're going to talk about career research. We've been working on the website portfolio assignment and this is objective 4. The portfolio is a lot about understanding what you've done, but you also need to know where you're going. What is all this for? What do I need to do to get the job of my dreams? What type of job is going to be a perfect fit for me? So I've decided to do this career research assignment for today's lesson. So let's take a look at it. You're going to complete research on a career in the broadcasting, television, or film industry and add information you found to your career research page on your portfolio website. If you've been following along, we've gone through the overview of objectives 1, 2A, 2B, and 3. Now we're on 4. So if you're just coming in, you might go back and watch those videos. So let's continue on. You're going to pick a career that interests you in broadcasting, television, or film industry. If you're not in my class and you're just following along, you can pick what industry that you want to choose, of course. In my class, we're doing the arts, audio, and video technology. You need to pick a site for research. Now, a really good one that I found is recruiter.com. There's careers.org, ONET Online, and Career Cruising. Some of them you have to have a subscription, maybe through your school. Recruiter.com doesn't require that. So let's take a look at that. I put a direct link to the Arts, Audio, and Video Technology and Communications Careers page, so it automatically lists all the links to the related careers. So if you're not sure which career you want to research, you can look and check and read what goes into the different types of jobs. What you're required to include on your portfolio page: the job title that you have researched at the top, an overview which describes what the job is about, daily tasks, what do they do from day to day, salary, how much do they make. You don't want to go into a job interview blind and then make you an offer and you don't know if it's fair, if it's average, if it's above average, below average. You need to know how much they value that job and how much they value you. It's good to know what the salary range is for these types of jobs. In addition, education credentials. Look up and see what type of certifications are required for these jobs. What type of level of education? Is it college, associate's degree, bachelor's degree, master's degree, doctoral? That's important because you need to know how much time and investment you need to do to get your dream job. In addition, try to go and include at least one image related to this job on your career portfolio page. Just go to Google Images and search that down and find a good image to include on that page. In addition, before you're done, you're going to publish the page and you're also going to add another entry into your career portfolio daily blog. And then once you're done, you'll just go and turn in the link, copy it, and paste it into Google Classroom. In review, you're going to receive a grade for completing all the above bulleted objectives. You'll be graded on the amount of content you've provided, of course, spelling correction and punctuation, creativity. Try to jazz the page up. Don't do the minimum work required. Do a little bit more. Show a little bit of your personality and creativity on this page. The formatting of your document and the effort. So make your page look good. Don't just throw it together. If you don't find all your information on one site, go to the next or do a Google search. Find the information that you need that's required in the bullets. Put forth all the effort required to do the assignment and do your best work. But that's all for our objective 4. We will see you next time.
Hey class, if you like this video, please click like below and subscribe to this channel. Also, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.